A federal judge is refusing to dismiss a civil lawsuit accusing former Defense Secretary Donald Rumsfeld of responsibility for the alleged torture by U.S. forces of two Americans who worked for an Iraqi contracting firm. U.S. District Judge Wayne Anderson's ruling does not say the two contracts have proven their claims, including that they were tortured after reporting alleged illegal activities by their company. But it does say they have alleged enough specific mistreatment to warrant hearing evidence of exactly what happened. The judge says his decision, quote, represents a recognition that federal officials may not strip citizens of well-settled constitutional protections against mistreatment simply because they are located in a tumultuous foreign setting. The suit, which was filed in 2006, alleges that while working for the company, contractors Donald Vance and Nathan Ertel saw fellow employees making payments to, quote, certain Iraqi sheikhs, and dealing in armaments in a way they believed would not be approved by the U.S. military. According to the suit, Vance contacted an FBI official with his suspicions, and the two men eventually shared their concerns with three U.S. embassy officials in Baghdad. The suit says their actions provoked suspicion at the company, and that afterwards, fellow employees confiscated their identity cards, which allowed them to enter the safe area known as the Green Zone. The two men say they locked themselves in a room for safety and were later extricated by U.S. forces that then took them to the embassy, where they were taken into custody. They were then taken to two military camps in the Baghdad vicinity in the weeks that followed. While in custody, the suit says that they were subjected to sleep deprivation, long hours of interrogation, blasting music, threats, hunger, and a practice known as walling, in which subjects are blindfolded and walked into walls.